Welcome back to my channel, Mel Just Simple, and today I have another great video for you. So today I'm gonna get ready to do a clean with me and decorate with me on my hot cocoa bar slash coffee bar. I'm going to transform it into a nice Christmas theme bar for myself and my family. I also have an idea that I want to see if I could execute it on this back wall right here. I'm going to be placing a wall. It's not really a wallpaper, but it's a gift wrap paper, but it's so beautiful to me. So I'm going to use it here to see how it looks. And if I like it, I might keep it. If not, I might get rid of it. So stay tuned to see what the DIY looks like and to stay tuned to see if I keep it as well. Alright, so I'll see y'all in a moment. Okay guys, so I want to show you guys how I'm going to do this DIY project on this wall. I already cleaned off the walls already. So what I'm going to do now is remove my shelf, my mug rack I should say. And this mug rack is from Kirklands. I got it on sale for $10. The Kirklands that's in my area was closing down, so at that time they had it for $10. I'm sure it's still on the website. I'll leave the link below, so if you are interested, you guys could check it out. It's a neat mug rack. I really like it. All right, let's put this here. So right now I'm going to show you guys the wrapping paper that I'm going to be using to execute this DIY. So it's going to be a little challenging because it's a little small space right here, but we'll make it work. All right, so I thought this would have been a beautiful little backdrop other than just having just the plain white walls right here. So I saw this wallpaper in Walmart, and I think it was $5.98, and it's the heavy duty kind. So it is very nice. It has reindeers. It says reindeer crossing, winter I don't know what it says, winter wishes. So we're going to try and do it. It's going to be a little challenging, but bear with me. It was a challenge, but I got it up. Now I'm going to find where the nail is for my rack, and I'm going to try and get the nail through. So this is going to be a little challenging. show you how I'll do the height for my coffee bar down below. Alright, so let's see how this is going to look. Okay, one side is good. Alright, so bam, it's on and it looks good. So now I'm going to show you guys how I use this to give a height. This is also from IKEA. It is a shelf that I took off of my bookcase. That is from the, I think the 8 shelf Lack bookshelf or bookcasing. So I have 2 of them. I have one already on here. So I'm going to show you guys how I get that part done. Alright, so now that I have gotten this together, I'm going to show you how I'm going to hide these shelves because they look hideous, and I'm going to be using some placemats that I got from Target last year, and these are the, you know, snowflakes, snowflakes placemats. They were $3 or $1 each. I think I have 6 here. Hey, by the fire chill. This is how it's supposed to be. Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. So I'm going to try and figure out which shelf I want and how it may look. So this shelf I got off of Amazon. I'm not too sure what the name is. Oh, the name is Y and Me. So I put it together. I already cleaned it off, and I'm going to place it here.
My mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time
We're
of
going to
year.
get started with placing all the mugs. The fun part.
I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow. And my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Counting stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. Though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow. And my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful.
Alright guys, so that was it for the decoration portion of the video. Now I'm going to show you guys the goodies that I got for my hot cocoa bar slash coffee bar, and I hope y'all enjoy because these are some good goodies.
Holiday, holiday, can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone. Make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. Counting stars when the sky comes alive. Oh, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna have a holiday. Yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast creating this coffee slash cocoa bar. I really enjoy the gift wrap slash, I'm calling it wallpaper. I really enjoy it. It is beautiful. It lets everything stand out. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload a next video. In the meantime, stay blessed, stay safe, have a happy holiday. Merry Christmas to y'all. Peace.